Imagine pressing down on the accelerator to merge onto the highway, but instead of surging forward, your car hesitates, stumbles, or just feels incredibly sluggish. All while you watch your fuel gauge drop faster than usual. That is the frustrating reality of a P0069 trouble code. This code points directly to a disagreement between two critical sensors, the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor, or MAP, and the Barometric Pressure sensor. Think of it this way: your engine needs to know exactly how much air is coming in and what the outside air pressure is to mix the fuel perfectly. When you first turn the key to the on position before the engine even cranks, the computer compares the reading from the MAP sensor inside the engine to the barometric sensor reading the outside air. If they are miles apart, the computer gets confused about your altitude and engine load, triggering this code. It is especially common in certain Audi, Ford, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Saturn, and Volkswagen models. Before you run out and buy parts, let us do some detective work. First, pop the hood and find the MAP sensor, usually on the intake manifold. The most common culprit is actually the simplest one, the vacuum line. This little rubber hose connects the sensor to the engine. If it is cracked, plugged, or loose, the sensor cannot read the vacuum. Pull it off and put your finger over the port on the engine while it is running. It should suck your finger tight. If that is good, look at the electrical connector. We are looking for the enemy of electronics, which is corrosion. If you see any green tint on the metal pins, clean them with contact cleaner. If the wiring looks solid, we need to test the sensor itself. With a scan tool, look at the MAP sensor reading with the key on but the engine off. At sea level, it should match the weather report, roughly 29.92 inches of mercury. If it is reading something wild like zero vacuum when the engine is off, or if the numbers do not dance when you blip the throttle, you likely have a dead sensor. It is a straightforward fix, but verifying the wiring first can save you from buying a sensor you do not actually need.